Okay, here's my litter of teddy bears. There's 5 of them, 2 females, 3 males, and they're ready to go middle of July. Here's a little male. Now there's 2 females, and they both have bows in their hair, so you can see. Hi, sugar. Aww, yes. Oh, so cute. Oh, look at that. Okay, they're kissing. Are you guys kissing? There's the little girl. Aww. Now that's a little female too. Her bow came out. Abby, just leave it. It's okay. Yeah. And here's a little boy. There's a little girl with the pink bow. There's a little girl with the blue bow. Here's a little boy. There, look at that little girl. She's all the way over there. So I'm gonna bring her over here. I'll just kind of video them a little bit. It is a little windy outside, so. Hi, sugar. You are just adorable. There's a little girl right there. There's a little boy. He's kind of got more of a, not so black, more salt and pepper. More salt and peppers. There's a little girl right there. Getting her bow. There's a little boy right there. Oh. Just a nice video of all of them. Aww. Hi, sugar. Oh, what a cutie. You're darling. That's a little girl too right there. Let me get up because they're all around me. There's that one that's kind of not so black, more kind of grays and brown. Has a little bit of brown to it. There's that little female with the pink bow. They're all kind of tootling around. Oh, look. Hi, sugar. Okay, we're done.